Pamain po, antik. Sino na? 300 yung bundle na. Nag-away ba? Ay, mag-away ba siya?
Hey everyone, I'm Charo and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you our family daily routine and how I make money even if I am a stay-home mom. Plus, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to be productive, especially if you have a kids. It is 8 a.m. on Saturday and this is how I make money. Live selling. 3 easy steps. First, sell online. Second, get the payment through GCash. Third, send the product to the buyer through Grab. That's it. Super easy, right?
Oh. Pag may handaan sa inyo, yan yung malaki. Isang ano na to isang set na. Ano to? 300 lahat to, bundle. Pero pwede nyo tawadan. 50 pesos. Lugi negosyo. Kukode ko na lang siya ng antique. Para hindi ako malito. Pamain po, antique. Sino na una? Mag-away pa. Ay, mag-away pa siya. Ay, pag-away pa si mother, oh. Ano ba binamain mo? Yung plato na antique? Ay, pag-away siya. 300 na lang yun. Dami nun, no?
And back to reality. Back to mom's life. Now, I'm going to feed this little chunky boy named Hunter Gray. While Hunter is busy watching Toy Story, I'm also busy in the kitchen, getting the kitchen in order. Say hello to the world, dishes. Well, I'm just doing the dishes and clearing the counter again. Sabi nga ng matatanda, ang sarap bumalik sa pagkabata. Wala kayong iisipin kundi dumede, kumain, or mag-aral, maglaro, paulit-ulit araw-araw. And you don't have to wake up too early because you're thinking about the traffic on the way to work. Hay ang buhay. Anyway, what's our lunch for today? Norman cooked a steak, our favorite. Of course, it's medium rare. And stir-fry vegetables. Thank you, Lalas. We love you. Kitchen done. And back to Hunter again. Love na love ni Teddy Boy si Hunter. Kahit na hinahampas maya't maya siya, sinasabunutan, hindi yan titigil makipaglaro kay Hunter hanggat di ko sinasaway. Hi, thank you Teddy Boy. Good boy. Why spending time with their kids is important. Showing your children that you love and care for them help to keep them mentally and emotionally strong. As a parent, the best way to do this is to spend quality time with them on a regular basis. There is no denying that raising a children is challenging. Oo, mahirap, sobrang nakaka-drain. But, raising children is one of the most incredible things you will ever get to do. Sabi nga ng iba, they will remember the memories, not the money spent. Nandyan na naman si Hunter sa kanyang favorite place. It's Cocomelon time! What's Hunter's favorites? Well, Choco Choco Clap Clap. He's got the whole world in his hands. And happy birthday to you! Napagod din si Kulot sa wakas. Yahoo! Tulog na si Sir. Pwede na akong magtrabaho. It's time to collect payment for my online selling. Gising na uli si Kulot. And yes, magkausap na naman sila ng daddy niya as usual. And yes, naglalakad na si Hunter. Yay! Very good! Good job, baby boy! After we have dinner, we will go up to the bedroom while waiting for their dad to come home from work. Daddy's home! Yay! Makakapahinga na si Mama! Yahoo! That's all for today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Check out my channel. Thank you. Bye guys. Stay safe and healthy. Good night.